All right, so I wanted to show you how you can now go live from your desktop. There have been some changes since the last time I did this, so this is a little bit of an update. So when we get started, we're going to create here on the left, and we're going to go to live. And so now that we have the live up, you can see me. You can see down here at the bottom, we can pick our microphone, we can pick our cameras. So even if you had a virtual camera, you could do that. So maybe you're using a program, say for an example, as Ecamm, that you want to do that. And so that'll give you some options. I'm just going to be using my OBSBot Tiny 3 while I'm doing this. And so over here, you can see we've got the options to go, live with Jim Fuse or change whatever title. And so we can send an email. And now one of the things they've added here is the ability to schedule for later. So we can click that. We have a date and time, and it gives us the ability to send that calendar invite email when we set this up, or we can choose to turn that off. So for now, for purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to turn that off so that we can go to the next step. Now, if we wanted to use third-party streaming software, this is where we would hit the go live with stream key, and we'll do a video about that later. But right now we're going to use the native ability. So we're going to hit continue. And so now you will see in the continue some new features. One, you'll notice if I move my head a little bit, there's this gray area. So you have to remember that on mobile, people only see what's between these two lines here. Um, and we can also invite other Substackers to join our live. So that's a pretty cool feature. The other thing we can now do is share the screen. And so let me see if I can get this to do what I want it to. So when we hit the share screen, it's going to pop up what we want to share. I'm going to share this note that I saw. Um, and it's not sharing audio yet. That's one thing about the screen share. That is coming. So it's just going to share the screen. So when I hit share, you're now seeing that my picture becomes little in the window. It's just showing the full page there. So people will see this on the live stream. And then if I want to hit the stop sharing, it brings us back to that. So now you can share screen, and we can, even while we're in here, we can change our video and microphone. So that's another new step that Substack is taking, which I think is pretty cool, pretty quick overview of some of the new features. And then if we would go live, it would actually go live. So this is how you can now use Substack on your desktop to go live and also bring people in as well. And I hope you found this helpful.